This video demonstrates the status change form. The status change form is used for separation, retirement, leave of absence, and return from leave actions. Click the ePath homepage tile to get started. Search for the employee in the OmniSearch window. On the Employee Results card, click the down arrow to show the Related Actions menu. Find the related action for the status update you're looking for. This client configured several links because not all employees are eligible for paid leave and leave without pay. Let's start with a leave without pay. The employee information banner helps the user to identify the employee job record being changed. Click the View Job Data button to review a summary of job information related to this job record. The information on the screen was designed by the client. This form uses the Change Highlighting feature to show where information is being changed or added. Changes on the form will be highlighted in yellow. The Leave of Absence action is pre-populated on the form based on the related action selected. Reason codes are filtered based on the action. This form uses a setup table designed by the client to determine which action reasons will be allowed on this form. Enter an effective date and an optional expected return date. There are no required file attachments for this action. This simple leave form is ready to submit. This form is now ready for the first approver. A notification has been set up so that this approver gets an email that the form is ready for them to evaluate. The email contains a link that opens the form in evaluate mode. When the leave form is fully approved, it updates the job data component. Now let's look at the return from leave example. Employees on leave will show only one related action for return from leave. Click the Return from Leave link. The Return from Leave action is pre-populated. Choose a reason. Then enter the effective date of the return and submit. When fully approved, this form will update the job data component. Now let's look at a paid leave. Select the Paid Leave related action. The Paid Leave of Absence action is pre-populated. Choose a reason. Enter an effective date and expected return date. The Paid Leave form reminds users of standard sabbatical dates. A paid leave status change action will also give users the option to change funding distribution and additional pays during the sabbatical period. Use the base pay funding grid to make any funding changes. The percent total validates the distribution will always equal 100% prior to form approval. Update any additional pays that should be stopped during the sabbatical period. A sabbatical requires additional documentation. Upload a file attachment. When this paid leave status change form is fully approved, it updates the job data, department budget, and additional pay components. Now let's look at a separation form. The separation action is pre-populated. Choose a reason. The deceased reason will show a field to indicate date of death, and this field will update the PeopleSoft personal data page. Otherwise, indicate the last date employed. Attach a resignation letter if applicable. When a separation form is fully approved, it updates up to 8 PeopleSoft pages: job data, disability benefits, health benefits, life insurance benefits, spending plans, retirement plans, and savings plans. Thanks for watching, and check out the other videos in this series showing the full job action lifecycle using GT eForms.